In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why each step matters, so your books stay accurate and balanced. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look for the plus icon, usually labeled New, at the top of the screen. This is where you start most new transactions in QuickBooks, and it's also how we'll create the manual paycheck entry. Go ahead and click on New. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options for different types of transactions. Since we're entering this paycheck manually and not using the built-in payroll module, you'll want to choose Journal Entry. Select Journal Entry to open a new journal entry window. At the top of this window, you'll see a field for the journal date. This is where you enter the actual pay date for the paycheck you're recording. Make sure the date matches the date the employee was paid, not the date you're entering the information. This is important for accurate financial and payroll reporting. You may also see a field for an entry number. This is optional, but adding a consistent numbering system can help you stay organized and make it easier to track or review entries later. Next, you'll use your payroll report as your guide. You should have a detailed report from your payroll provider or from your manual calculations that shows gross wages, taxes withheld, and any other deductions. Using that information, you'll build the journal entry. Start by debiting your payroll expense accounts. These could include wages expense, salaries, and any other payroll-related expenses, using the gross pay amounts for each category. Debits here represent the cost of paying your employees. Then, you'll credit your payroll liability accounts. These are things like federal and state taxes withheld, Social Security, Medicare, retirement contributions, or other deductions that you owe to third parties. Each of these should be listed as a separate line, using the amounts from your payroll report. Finally, you'll credit your bank account for the net pay, which is the amount that actually went to the employee. The total debits and total credits must match before you save the entry. If your payroll situation involves multiple employees, special benefits, or complex deductions, it's a good idea to consult an accountant or payroll professional to review your setup and confirm everything is being recorded correctly. This extra step helps ensure your financial statements and payroll records stay reliable over time.